Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn a new data structure which is called heap. Now what exactly we are going to learn here is how do we build heap and how do we sort it. Let us just take a simple example and then trace it. Let's take a sample example which contains 1, 7, 5, 8, 12 and a 10. As you know, we will represent this in the form of a complete binary tree, which is 1, 7, 5, 8, 12 and a 10. Now let us just put an index, because this complete binary tree can be represented in the form of an array. Let us just put the indexes. Now after this, let us start using max heap on top of it. Now where exactly do we start from? This is the primary question. We will start from the max index of the non-leaf nodes. These are the leaf nodes. We start from the max index. So that when we do apply max heap on it, it becomes 10 and a 5 because we did a swapping over here. Then this 8 and a 12 will remain as is. Now we will switch to the next index, which is 7. Now is it following all the properties of heap? No, it isn't. Again we will have to apply swapping, where 12 and 7 are swapped. Now once we have done the subtrees, then we will do with the root. Is root following all the properties of heap? No, it isn't. Again we will have to swap this. Now once we have got, now this is the complete tree is following all the properties of heap. So let us represent the final array over here, which contains 6 elements. Now 12 is the last element, which we will remove and then swap with the last element in the tree. Now what exactly happens over here is 5, 1, 10, 8, 7. This is a new tree after removing the maximum element of this max heap, and we have put it in the array. Now let us continue the same process with this tree, which is the non-leaf node, which is having maximum index 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you know, these are the 3 leaf nodes, so we have to start our max heap application from this particular index. Now when we apply it, it becomes 8, 1, 7 and a 10. Now is this following the property? No, with the root node. Again we will have to swap it. Now this is following all the properties of heap. Remove this, put it back in the array, and then remove this element and swap it with the last element of this tree. Now it becomes 7, 8, 5, 1. Now again, this is, we will represent it in the form of an array. Now which is the non-leaf node? This one. This is already following the properties of heap, which is max heap, but the root node isn't. So we are just doing a swap again. Now we remove this 8, put it back in our array. So for better purpose, let me build the array over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We had already filled 12. We had filled 10. Now we are adding 8 over here. And then we will swap this with this element, the last element or the leaf node. 1, 7 and a 5. Now once this is done, again these are the two leaf nodes. This particular tree is again not following the heap properties, so we are just going to swap this element 1 with 7, and then we are removing 7 again from the tree, and then swapping this with the last element again 5 and a 1, and you know 5 is already sorted. We remove 5 and the last element is 1, and this is 1. Now we have sorted the elements, all the elements, which was initially 1, 7, 5, 8, 12, 10. Now it's 1, 5, 7, 8, 10, 12. It's completely sorted. This is how heap sort works. Thank you. If you have learned something new in this particular session, please do like and comment. And if you have any specific doubts, please do comment in the comment section in my YouTube channel and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot.